Oh no, the pig fell off the roof. Oh no, who else is going on the roof? Who else is going on the roof?
Perfect.
It's not a parrot, it's a crow. Where's the crow? Oh no, the crow fell off the roof. Can we have a look at the crow? Oh no. We'll have a look at the crow. Who's going on the roof next? Here's the crow. Oh no! Who was on the roof? Who was on the roof?
Cow.
There was a cow on the roof. Oh no! Here's the cow. Who's going on the roof next? Who's going on the roof?
Horse.
Oh, there's a donkey going on the roof. Donkey! Oh no! Why was there a donkey on the roof? Here's the donkey. Oh, the donkey's having a second go, is it? Oh no! What's the donkey doing on the roof? Here's the donkey. Who's going on the roof next?
Cow.
Oh, another cow! Oh no! This cow went on the roof. Oh, dearie me. The donkey's having another turn on the roof. I don't think the donkey learned its lesson, did it? There's lots of parables with the donkey.
Cow.
Oh, another cow. The cow's having another turn on the roof. Who's on the roof next?
Bowel.
Oh, the hay bale. Oh, why is there a hay bale on the roof?
That one.
Oh, other hay bale. Oh,